Alright, we got the Power 5 pack assortment. And you get 2 Pyro Planet cakes in this assortment, and this is a new item for 2018, I believe. You get Flying Proud, which is... I can't even see the shots on here. It's Flying Proud, and we got Technicolor Dream. And I'm going to have to kind of pull these cakes out to kind of find out how many shots they are. Alright, so the Flying Proud cake has 25 shots. It's 500 grams. Duration is 25 seconds. Loudness is 8 out of 10. Firing pattern is fanned, and the effect height is high and low. And the performance is, this cake features patriotic fans of red, white, and blue with crackling minds, gold glitter tails, and a finale of solid gold. And for the Technicolor Dream, yep, that's the name of the cake. Technicolor Dream, you got also 25 shots, 500 gram cake, 25 seconds for the duration. Loudness is 8 out of 10. Firing pattern is fanned, and the effect is high and low. So pretty much the same performance description. And we got loaded with color. This cake features red, blue, pink, purple, ocean blue, green, red strobe, white strobe, and a big fan finish. So the other cake, Flying Proud, uses a red, white, and blue effect, while this one just uses a mixture of a bunch of different colors, hence the name Technicolor Dream. Alright, Flying Proud. Some of the assortment from WF Boom. Nice. Alright, Technicolor Dream by Pyro Planet. It's part of an assortment of cakes. Nice color. Nice. I can see why it's called Technicolor Dream.